It seems to bend over backwards to try to justify why people are oppressed or why people are victims or whatever the case may be. And actually here, what this is kind of alluding to is the Lord's perspective, and his approach is totally the opposite. It's the complete inverse of that, where it doesn't matter. None of these circumstances matter because the Lord knows and can assist you in actually overcoming. He actually strips away all excuses. He actually tears down all of these barriers that most of the time we put up, right? He can strip all of that away. And so when he talks about having this fullness of knowledge and the wings represent power to move, to act, meaning he has designed things for you to be independent, for you to be autonomous, for you to have real strength and real freedom as he gives, not as the world gives, right? And to truly act with true agency. And what is agency? As Elder Bednar talks about, agency is the opportunity to choose righteousness, to live righteously. Like that's what agency truly is. And all of this, all of those barriers and all of the victimhood mindset and the oppression and all of these things that people justify why they are where they are, the Lord strips all that away. And he gives people real power and says, none of that matters. I have overcome all of that. And now you can go act and be fully and totally independent and autonomous and find that joy that we all seek. Right. And so it's just beautiful to see how he truly does open that up to us, even though at first people look at the gospel and they can see, what would you say? They can see rules. They can see restrictions, right? And actually, it's the exact opposite of that.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.